ma ikelo gi pi mochido. Jagoro mongirore Migao mar thieth Mary Mudhoni manotimo limbe ne ji ma pi nodare mirgi madare okoni oula ma ikelo kod koth mapek ma pod chue pacho kaendi nyalo nyayo tuoche mopogore opogore kendo winjo ji orit ler mondo kik giyud midhiero. Okwayo ji modak e kuonde ma oula muomo mondo obed machiegni gi nyamrerwa matiyo kod piny owacho mondo michiwnegi kony mapiyo poni gifwenyo tuo mora mora.
And we have spoken to the people. We have really emphasized on clean water. We have emphasized on washing of hands, as basic as washing of hands, and especially here where I have seen tens of children. Very many children are in this camp, and we have equally emphasized on immunization of the same, because we need to have the children keep to their immunization schedules so that after this we do not have some having diseases like polio. Maybe most of them are below 5 years, so they are around that age where they need to keep to their immunization schedules.
Kwa sehemu ya water safety, sisi kama county government tumeweka our teams ready and we have enhanced our water surveillance activities. Tunataka kuhakikisha kuwa maji yote watu wetu wanakunywa ni maji safi, yamepimwa, na tunataka kushukuru even PS Kenya kwa ile water guard wametupea na zile vitu zote za kusafisha maji, kuhakikisha maji yetu yako salama. But kama serikali ya county na serikali ya kitaifa, we have enhanced our water surveillance activities. Tunataka kuhakikisha kuwa maji iko Nairobi iko safi kwa sasa, na tutahakikisha kureport in case kuna challenge yoyote.